Have you ever wondered if you could bend space and time in your living room? Welcome to a journey where we'll explore the enigmatic realm of space-time and cosmology. Now, don't be daunted. Even though these concepts might seem like they're from a different galaxy, they're actually closer to us than we think. You see, we're constantly interacting with space-time every second of every day. It's the fabric that binds us all, a cosmic ballet where we're both the dancers and the audience. But what if we could create a miniature universe right here in our living room today? We're going to do just that. We'll conduct 3 DIY experiments, each designed to bring these abstract concepts to life. By manipulating everyday objects, we'll explore the curvature of space-time, the expansion of the universe, and the mind-bending concept of time dilation. So gear up for an adventure that transcends the ordinary. Stay tuned as we dive into our first experiment. Gravity is a fundamental force that shapes space-time. Today you are going to create your own gravity well. To simulate this cosmic phenomenon, you'll need a few basic items: a large stretchable sheet, a handful of marbles, and a heavy ball. The sheet will represent the fabric of space-time. The heavy ball will stand in for a massive celestial body like a star or a planet, and the marbles will play the role of smaller objects in space, such as asteroids or satellites. First, stretch out the sheet tightly and secure it in place. Now, this is your canvas, your very own piece of the universe. Imagine it as an infinite expanse, a field of endless possibilities. Next, place the heavy ball at the center of the sheet. Watch as the sheet dips under the weight of the ball. This dip, this indentation, is a gravity well. In the universe, massive objects like stars and planets create similar wells in the fabric of space-time, pulling everything around them towards their center. Now, for the fun part. Take your marbles and roll them across the sheet. Observe how they move towards the heavy ball, spiraling inward, just as smaller celestial bodies are drawn towards massive ones by the force of gravity. As you watch the marbles whirl and twirl, keep in mind that this is a simplified model. In the real universe, things are a bit more complex. There are other forces at play. Celestial bodies move in 3 dimensions, not just 2, and space-time isn't as easily stretchable as our sheet. But despite these simplifications, this experiment gives us a tangible way to visualize how gravity works on a cosmic scale. It brings to life the abstract concept of gravity wells and space-time curvature, making it a bit more comprehensible for us mere mortals. And there you have it, a simple representation of how gravity warps space-time. Fascinating, isn't it? Scene script. Ever wondered how the universe is expanding? Let's create a model to understand this concept better. Picture yourself holding a balloon. But this isn't just any balloon, it's the universe. Before we start, you'll need a balloon and a marker. Any balloon will do, but a dark one will show the marker best. Inflate the balloon just a bit, just enough to give it some shape. Now let's put some galaxies on our universe. With your marker, start dotting the balloon. These dots represent galaxies, like our own Milky Way. Make sure to scatter them all around, because galaxies are everywhere in the universe. Once you're happy with your galaxy-filled universe, start to inflate the balloon slowly. Keep your eye on those dots. As the balloon expands, the dots move away from each other. Each dot isn't moving on its own, but the space between them is growing. This is a simple, yet powerful model of the expanding universe. When we say the universe is expanding, we don't mean that galaxies are jetting away from each other through space. Instead, the space itself between galaxies is expanding. So when you're looking at those dots on your balloon, think of them as stationary. They're not moving. What's moving is the space between them. As you inflate the balloon more and more, the space expands, and the dots, our galaxies, get further apart. This is what Edwin Hubble observed in the early 20th century. He noticed that galaxies seemed to be moving away from us in every direction, leading him to the conclusion that the universe is expanding. And this balloon experiment shows exactly why that is. It's a simple model, but it's a powerful one. It shows us a fundamental aspect of our universe, one that's hard to grasp but essential to our understanding of cosmology. And the best part, you've done it yourself, right in your own hands. You've just modeled the expansion of the universe right in your hands. On to our final experiment. Scene script. Time dilation may sound like science fiction, but it's real. Let's create an easy model to understand it. We all know time ticks away incessantly, second by second, but did you know that gravity can actually influence the flow of time? No, this isn't a plot from a sci-fi movie, but a very real phenomenon called time dilation, a concept in Einstein's theory of relativity. So let's dive into our experiment. You'll need 2 clocks and a stepladder for this one. Start by placing one clock at the bottom of the ladder and the other at the top. These 2 clocks represent 2 observers, one on Earth and the other somewhere high above it in space. In our model, the difference in height between the 2 clocks represents the difference in gravitational forces at 2 different points in space. Now, if we could observe these 2 clocks over a very, very long time, we'd notice that the clock at the top of the ladder would tick slightly faster than the one at the bottom. This is because the gravitational force is weaker higher up, and time, according to Einstein, runs faster where gravity is weaker. Of course, in our experiment, the difference in time would be too tiny to notice. In fact, to observe time dilation on Earth, you'd need a difference in height of about 33,000 feet. But don't worry, you won't need to lug your ladder up Mount Everest. Scientists use incredibly accurate atomic clocks to measure this minuscule difference. This experiment might be a simplified model, but it beautifully illustrates the concept of time dilation. Time, as it turns out, isn't as constant as we might think. It's flexible, bending and stretching under the influence of gravity and speed. Now you've experienced time dilation, a small step towards understanding the mysteries of the universe. And that concludes our space-time adventure. Hope these experiments provided a glimpse into the fascinating world of cosmology. We started by creating our very own gravity well, demonstrating how massive objects can warp the fabric of space-time. Then we moved on to the expanding universe experiment, showing how space isn't just static, but constantly growing and evolving. Finally, we dipped our toes into the concept of time dilation, seeing how time can stretch and squeeze depending on how fast you're moving or how close you are to a gravitational source. These experiments are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. There's so much more to explore, so many more mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So don't stop here. Dive deeper into space-time and cosmology. Read books, watch more videos, conduct your own experiments. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. Thank you for joining this cosmic journey. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the universe.